up, people? Welcome to No Wraps 12, and thank you for coming back to Cooking with No Wrap. Today we're going to be talking about some white wings. White wings is an appetizer, which a lot of people like. So today I have a special guest with me. It's my man, Fontino. So what Fontino going to do is walk us through the steps and tell us exactly what we have and what it takes to make a white wing.
And the ingredients for the white wing are pepper jack cheese, bacon, toothpicks, jalapeno peppers, and seasoned chicken. First, we will take a bacon and some cheese on the side, some chicken, a jalapeno pepper, and roll this up real quick. And take another bacon, but turn this the other way. And roll it up. And so I'm gonna have my dad put the toothpicks in, and then once he's done with that, we're going to have them fried.
All right, the whole reason for having a toothpick is so that you'll keep your product together. Because if not, it will fall apart as you're cooking it. So you have to make sure it's nice and stable with toothpicks. Now what you don't want to do is once you cook this, do not forget to take the toothpick out before you eat it, please. Safety precautions. So we had made a couple of these already. So I'm gonna take these over to my fat is already hot. We're going to drop that in. Now while we're cooking this, we already have a couple that's already done already. So you can eat with a different type of sauces, but my son prefers his favorite ranch. So, Tina, I want you to show the crowd. I want you to try one and let me know what you think. Toothpick out first, people. Toothpick out first. You're going to dip it. You're going to bite into it. Look at that. Look at this, people. See, this is what you get. Nice melted cheese. You got the jalapeno. And you have chicken. Now, we all know bacon tastes good with everything. Too bad I don't eat bacon. It's because of the high intake of salt. So I don't eat these, but like I say, it's a nice appetizer for a party, or you invite some friends over, but it's pretty good. You should try it sometime. Pretty simple, pretty simple. So what you think, son?
It's good. How the cheese is all melted, the bacon is grilled and boiled.
So once again, it's really quick. So thanks y'all guys for coming. We just want to show you how quick it is to make like a small appetizer. Like once again, it's called white wing. And once again, that's a wrap.